So I made a lead acid battery charger using LM317T, and which uses a pass transistor. Uh, the pass transistor is TIP3055. Um, so I have set it up in such a way that if the battery is totally discharged, then in the beginning, so this is the timeline. So from 0 to T1 it follows a constant current, and also it is at constant voltage. So the battery voltage will be starts rising until this point. So this is have a constant current, and this dotted line shows the battery voltage. So from 0 to T1, the discharged battery voltage starts to rise as it is charged by constant current of 800 milliamps. So it is charging at this rate. At T1, when it is equal to uh, the set voltage, which is so so this point is roughly around at 14.14 volts. So after 14 volts the current starts to drop down, but the voltage of the regulator is at maintained at 14.14 volts, and the current starts to slowly come down. So from 800 milliamps, uh, it comes down to about 126 milliamps. So from 800 to 126, the pass transistor is on. After it is crossed 126 milliamps, so the current is below 126 milliamp, the pass transistor then switches off, and then the only regulator current is available, which is LM317T. So from this point to T2, the LM317T uh, supplies the current, and this is all at the constant voltage. After that, the voltage remains constant and the battery remains charging, uh, but the current but the uh, current does not increase, and it's very slowly it gets um, it decreases at a very slow rate, and the battery voltage rises at a very slow rate. So for, so this will be 0. So 0 to T1 is something like 5 4 to 5 hours, and then T1 to T2, so 0 to T1 it will be like 1 or 2 hours, then T1 to T2 it will be like 3 to 4 hours, and T2 then beyond uh, it will be around. So the whole this is all in a solar charger. So from 0 to till this day, this follows the day routine. So each day it rises so battery is not completely discharged, so maybe it will need a charge, so maybe it will need replenishing of the charge from this point. So so the T1 gets shorter, so it will become like this. So 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 it will be like this. Or if the battery is not drained, it will be like this. So charging current in the day will be like this. So it does not follow this, it does not get completely to zero, it just hangs around here, trickle charges it. So